There are many opportunities for the millennial generation in manufacturing, not only in Noble County, but the region as a whole. One opportunity that may go unnoticed is in CNC machining. Manufacturing is making a comeback. Education is a key component to career readiness. Millennials will play an important part in building the workforce for manufacturing in Northeast Indiana. We need to recruit and develop CNC machining talent now to meet our future workforce needs.
I go to school, I got 4 classes in the morning, then I go to lunch, and then I come here. So I got my core classes back at my home school, and then I come here half a day. After I graduate, I'll be going to a job, going to college, night classes for about 10 months, and then going on from there, moving up the ladder in a production facility. There's so many jobs. I mean, there's so much demand for CNC, for manufacturing out there. I mean, there's not enough. You can just get on the internet and look. I mean, everybody wants workers.